If you have ever sat through hours of raw footage and felt completely overwhelmed by the prospect of editing it into short clips, then you are definitely in the right place. Today, I am going to walk you through my exact workflow for turning long videos into ready-to-post, scroll-stopping shorts that save me days of work. I will show you how to manage everything in one central hub, including some hard-learned tips on how to actually make your clips go viral. By the end of this, you will be able to grab any long video and output a massive stack of polished shorts that look like they took hours to produce. So, what exactly is Vizard, and why is it currently changing the game for creators who are tired of manual editing? It is an AI-first tool designed to analyze your long videos and automatically pull out the best, most engaging moments for your audience. The real power here comes from three core features: intelligent auto-editing, a scheduling system that runs on autopilot, and a content calendar to track everything. We are going to skip the boring manual product tour and get straight into how this works in the real world for active content creators. First, head over to the platform and link up your creator account to get started with a super quick sign-up process. If you have a drive full of content, simply connect your YouTube, Google Drive, or Dropbox to let the tool import your raw footage directly. Pro tip: if you are managing multiple channels, make sure you link them all now so the system can automatically pull your metadata. Once your video is uploaded, you hit the Create Clips button and watch as the artificial intelligence identifies your best audio spikes and visual highlights. The system will spit out a stack of suggested clips, and while some will need a quick trim, you will be surprised at how many are instant winners. The interface makes it incredibly easy to switch aspect ratios, adjust your start and end times, and add engaging captions to every clip. Now let's get real about how this compares to other tools like Descript, CapCut, or professional software like Adobe Premiere. While those tools are powerful, they often require tedious manual effort, whereas Vizard is built specifically for the iterative loop of social scaling. Once you have your clips approved, you can quickly add text overlays, stickers, or apply a consistent brand template to your entire library. Using a brand kit is an absolute time saver that ensures your fonts, colors, and intros look the same every single time you post. When it is time to publish, simply click on the Auto Schedule button to let the AI pick the best times based on your specific channel analytics. You can even wake up to find that your content has been uploaded while you were asleep, giving you total peace of mind. The content calendar is where I spend most of my time because it allows me to drag and drop clips to rearrange my entire week in seconds. If a specific clip is not performing well, you can easily swap it out without needing to dig through messy folders on your hard drive. For teams, this platform effectively turns your operation into a small studio, allowing you to assign posts and leave feedback directly on the clips. My first big tip is to always export both portrait and landscape versions because different platforms reward native orientations differently. You should also make sure to add captions, because even people who watch with sound often prefer to read along while they are in noisy environments. Always treat the first 3 seconds of your video as a hook, because that is where you win or lose the viewer's attention. If a clip ever feels a bit sluggish, try tightening your cuts by just a fraction of a second to instantly change the pacing. Regarding content safety, the tool will actually flag potential copyright issues with music or audio, which saves you from potential takedowns. You can even keep sensitive or collaborative projects in a private mode while you wait for approvals from your team or partners. Remember that different platforms require different strategies, so use your scheduling tools to test which clips perform best on TikTok versus YouTube. For example, Instagram Reels loves personality-driven moments, while YouTube Shorts users often enjoy binging multiple clips in a row. To summarize the comparison, while Premiere is still king for cinematic work, Vizard wins hands down for high-volume social repurposing. Let me give you a concrete example. I uploaded a 2-hour live stream and the AI generated 40 suggested clips for me to choose from. I selected 12 of them, applied my branded preset, and scheduled them to post 3 times a week for an entire month. One of those clips went viral, driving massive traffic back to my main channel without me spending any extra hours in the editing suite. My final pro tip is to keep a library of evergreen clips that you can repost during different seasons to keep your momentum going. Don't be afraid to let the AI surprise you, because sometimes the moment you think is the least interesting ends up being the biggest hit. If you are trying to grow without burning out, this is the tool I have been telling everyone to try for their content workflow. It is not going to be perfect for every single niche, but for creators who want consistency and organization, it is a total sanity saver. Try it with just one long video today, and I guarantee you will be surprised by how many usable, high-quality clips you end up with. I will leave a checklist in the description with my recommended settings and a posting cadence that has worked for me. If you have questions about how this compares to other tools for your specific content, just drop a comment and I will do a deep dive. Go import that raw footage, let the AI handle the boring work, and start getting your content out into the world. And if you manage to find a wild meme or a surprise edit that really takes off, make sure to share it with me below. I love seeing what you all create, so catch you in the next one.